Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And by the way, Happy New Year!
新年快乐！
对，没错，新年快乐。
然后还要恭喜发财。
Thank you， 恭喜发财 Yes,
赶紧把红包拿来。
我就最怕这句话，太早了 Alice。
那过年的时候再跟你要红包咯。
下个月才可以要，对。It's the month of January. We just wished you a happy new year. But those are not really the terms we want to teach you. We want to teach you something that's kind of related to that. 其实今天要教的跟这些过年啊有一点间接的关系啊。
OK 啊，
就教大家怎么说假日啊，放假。
放假好了啊，来年假啦。
对，没错。Let's teach you how to say terms related to taking a vacation, a day off, or annual leave, that type of thing. 所以假日 weekend 怎么说呢？
不用撩你。
不用撩你，听起来就好有朝气哦。
放假日了，
好亮哦。
不用撩啊，就是我们要去玩咯。
Okay, that means a holiday. It could mean a weekend or a national holiday. Okay, 有可能是国定假日，也有可能是周末的连续周六周日的假日。
对
，Yeah. Okay, then if you work for a company, 很重要的一点啊 we always ask how many days of annual leave does this company have?
Okay.
How do you say annual leave? 年假。
年假。
年假 Okay, that's annual leave. And then finally, something that might happen from time to time 就是要请假，对不对？有可能是因为生病请假，也有可能是为了要去旅游，要请一整个礼拜或2个礼拜的假。
老板就叫你不要来了。
Let's teach you how to say, I want to take a vacation or take a day off. It could apply to either just one day or a longer period of time. 请假。
抢假。
抢假 that means taking time off.
那海陆腔抢假。
抢假要抢了哈。
不是抢不能抢。
抢在先，赶快讲，先讲先赢。
对，先讲先赢。
对，有的时候真的这样的，同事啊，同一个时间放假就不行了，对不对？How do you say it again in a different dialect?
抢假。
抢假。Let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases. 我们就用刚刚教的这个好了。我明天要请假。I want to take a day off tomorrow. How do you say that?
我天公日爱抢假。
我天公日爱抢假。That means tomorrow I need a day off. All right, let's review these terms. 假日 a holiday, a national day, or a weekend.
不用撩你。
不用撩你。然后再来年假 that's annual leave.
年假。
年假 And finally, taking time off. 请假。
抢假。
抢假 There you have it, all about the holidays right here on Practical Hakka.
什么太假？
汉字 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.